Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to force stop Instagram app on phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to force stop Instagram app on phone, first open up your settings on your phone and let's go. After opening the settings on your phone, scroll down until you can find the apps option available for us. Over here you can see there is the apps just below the battery. Tap on it to open, and on this interface again tap on the app management, which is at the top of the screen. And on the search bar at the top of the screen, guys, search for Instagram over here and open the Instagram on this list, and you'll be on this panel where you can spot the force stop button over here on the middle section of your screen. Tap on that force stop button over here, guys, and then this kind of interface will appear where you can where you'll be required to again tap on the force stop button over here, and then the Instagram app will be force stopped on your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how to force stop Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.